Sicon Document Management, or DMS, is installed as an add-on for Sage 200 and only works within Sage 200, but is fully integrated with all the standard ledgers and order processing modules. Within the settings of the module, we can select which users have access to attach documents, re-index documents, delete documents, and whether they have access to be able to do that from Outlook with drag and drop. User licensing is based on those that can add documents and index them, and those that can simply view the documents. So there are two types of user license available. The users are read directly from your Sage 200 user list, and if you add new users, you can simply update them using the button at the bottom. Most companies now receive their invoices via email. In this example, we can see we have an invoice in from AB Cookers. I can open the PDF that I've been sent. I can see the information in here. So usually I'd have two screens open, and I could flip between the two to enter my invoice. If I go into Sage, open my invoice entry screen, I can enter my invoice number, the invoice date, invoice value, check the VAT, confirm my nominal code, finished goods stock, and now I need to attach my document. So if I have my email open, I can simply drag and drop the attachment onto my Add Documents button. I get a preview screen just to show me what it is that I'm attaching, and all the information about this particular document has been automatically attached. So all I need to do is save the document, save the invoice, and there's nothing else to do. If I want to go back and review that, I can open up the transactions for AB Cookers. I can see my invoice in here, and if I want to view the documents attached to it, it's as simple as that. The last column at the end here will show me how many documents are attached to each of these invoices, and if I want to attach to any other of the existing invoices, I can just click Add a Document, I can scan, I can attach a file, and it shows me I've now got one document attached. For every aspect of Sage, for example, purchase orders, we'll find at the bottom of the screen we have an Add Documents and View Documents button. If I click on the Add Documents, I can choose what type of document I want to add, and again I can scan, attach files, I can pick up a PDF. If you need to store documents against sales orders or purchase orders, simply open the document in Sage. At the bottom of the screen you'll see Add Documents and View Documents buttons, and in the same way as before we could drag and drop, but when we select the Add Documents we have various different options that we can choose from. So our default is attaching them to the order. It could be general document, correspondence, justification, or some images. Whichever one I select, I can change them in the indexing screen. In this case, I'm going to go and pick some images that I want to attach. I can simply change the type and say this is an image and save that document. When I go back to view, it opens up the document and you can see it's been stored under the images type. If I go and add some general documents, pick up my project quotation and save that, when I now go to view, it tells me I've got two different document types attached, and I can open both of these and view them. I also have permission in here to be able to delete them or to email them directly if I need to straight from the application. If we're amending the order via the Sage 200 purchase order amend screen, we can see there are document attached in here, and again same right click functionality will show me I've got images, which will filter my display, or general documents. From here I can open up my document and I can see the proposal that's come through for home style kitchens from Kenway. We have similar functionality in sales order processing, but as with purchase orders, when we right click the Add Documents, we can see a specific set of document types that you might want to attach to a sales order. If we look at the settings for a Sicon DMS, for each document type in Sage, we can see the items listed down in here. For example, for my sales order processing, under the sales order, I can see the different document types in here that I want to attach. If I click on the sales order header, I can add a new document type. So for example, we can add a test certificate. We can pick up the basic information from our general document in terms of indexing. If we then come back and review the sales order, we'll see that our test certificate's at the bottom of the screen here. If I need to add any additional indexing to it, I can go in and pick the relevant attributes that I want to store against that particular document type. If we go back to our sales order and now right click, I can see I've got a test certificate option at the bottom of the screen. That concludes this brief demonstration. For more information, please visit the website at www.sicon.co.uk.